Hello, good morning everyone. Quick disclaimer before we start, nothing you see here is a financial advice. I'm just sharing how I trade the markets in real time. Please let me know if the sound is good in the chat box. And yeah, let's start today's live stream. Is the sound good, everyone? Please type yes in the chat box. And let's start. So, let me check if the stream looks good. Great. So, yeah, for everyone new, the pairs you see here in green are pairs which we are already in a buy position in them, and the pairs you see in red, that means we are in a sell position. AUD CAD. So we are still in profits, of course. The AUD NZD, we are also still in profits. CP1 touch, stop loss move to the break even. This one also the same case. EURUSD no entry unfortunately. So yeah, we'll wait for the price to give us a new retest and yeah, and enter it. For EURUSD, it looks good. We are moving slowly to the TP2 level. And yeah, the stop loss is already at break even. And yeah, let me see. Okay, great. CDCHF no trades. CDJPY, we were stopped out at break even this morning, so yeah, this one is gone. Collected all. The trade you gave for GBPJPY buy is long, and for how many days? Which trade are you talking about? This one? Because I've just entered this trade this morning. So let's continue. Yeah, EuroCAD also. Yeah, going back to TP1. Our stop loss is already at break even, so no worries. The one you shared in premium. I don't understand your question. The trade you gave for GBPJPY buy is long? What is long? And for how many days? Please explain your question further. So for the EURUSD, I entered this trade this morning. Yeah, still waiting for Euro NZD. There is no entries for this pair this morning. EURUSD still going slowly into the TP3 level. It took some time, to be honest, 14 days now. So GBPUSD, no trades. We already entered here. I believe we touched TP1 and got back to the entry. Then we never had the chance to go back into the trade. We never had an entry. GBP CAD, yeah, we are still looking good. GBPJPY, this trade that Click It All is talking about, this one I entered in this morning also. We'll need to wait and see what will happen. GBP NZD also no entry, I believe. GBPUSD is already gone, like the EURUSD, but we catch the EURUSD, but no GBPUSD. I am a premium member and check out that you shared a buy position for the GBPJPY. I want to know how long it will take to reach TP3. You will never know how long it will take to reach TP3, and if it will reach TP3, or it will reach TP2, or it will reach the stop loss. We trade probability here are not certainties. So this is, yeah, I can't answer your question, to be honest. So GBP NZD, nothing. Yeah, you're welcome. And are you new in my premium? Have you just started trading? USDJPY also looking good. Was a bit, yeah, a good entry, to be honest. Okay. And you were at V12 trading before, or yeah, started with Daxton from the beginning? USD no entry. USDCHF, of course, no entry. USDJPY. It looks like we have here an entry, but yeah. So yeah, it follows this uptrend like this. It can be a healthy pullback, but yeah, we are already in the GBP and GPY and EURUSD trade. USDJPY is more volatile than these two other pairs, that's why I will not enter. But if I see TP1 hit and TP2 hit on GBPJPY and EURUSDJPY, then we move the stop loss to the entry, of course, like always. Then I will think about entering USDJPY. You work for the whole day and miss certain entries, but once I take from you hit all, but it's all right. I still trust you and your explanation will keep going. Thank you so much. And have you tried the Telegram copier on the premium group? So you can't miss an entry like that. Gold, I will go back to gold because I will be interested in trading it. Silver also looks great. Didn't get any entry, to be honest. We need to wait. Oil, yeah, nothing. BTC, nothing. Nasdaq, nothing. So my love is gold. And let's see, we had a strong push to the upside yesterday. Then we had, yeah, a pullback here. Then the price continues, yeah, to trend upwards. Now we are ranging since, yeah, 8 hours between these zones here. And yeah, also this, yeah, like this. Like always, entry here, targeting. Yeah, this is my plan. Hello Shane, how are you doing? I checked that copier too. Thanks for the reminder. You're welcome. So everyone, make sure to like the live stream and also subscribe. Also make sure to ask your questions. And for the new viewers, check my Telegram. It's the first link in the description. So let's see if we get an entry on gold. To be honest, the floating P&L looks great. These guys are, let me time, yeah, these guys are from this morning. Yeah, small drawdown. Yeah, but all other trades are now in profits. So let's see if we can catch a good trade today on gold. And everyone, make sure to ask your questions. And what do you think about today's music? Let's see if gold will give us a great entry this morning. Yeah. Wednesday, tomorrow, bank holiday for all the pairs. So no trades tomorrow. And also will not be live streaming tomorrow because I will not trade, of course. So we will meet Friday. And everyone, make sure to ask your questions. I'm started to be, to get bored. Want to chat with you, everyone. Where are you, Shane? Where are the guys who chat with me every day and ask me questions? So check EURUSD, still doing nothing. USDJPY looks good. EURUCAD still going down. And the entry on gold, I think, will be at 85 or something. 83, 85. And yeah, let's wait and see. So silver, same thing. Sell trade on EURUCAD. Let's see what was your entry and what is your stop loss and take profit. Because for the EURUSD, to be honest, I don't see any trend at the moment at EURUSD. I just saw a price pushing down here when we had news last week, if you remember. Then we took an entry here, touched the TP1 and touched the TP2. We moved, of course, the stop loss to the entry after TP1, but yeah, I see that it broke this level right here that you see, and yeah, will do nothing. Like always, when I enter a trade, I stick to it. So maybe it will do something like this and get to our TP3, or it will go down, and that will be good because our stop loss is already at entry and we already made some profits on it. So enter it 61.38. Let me see. 61.38. You entered 61.38. What's the stop loss and what's the entry, and why have you entered this trade right here? If you don't mind answering. Yeah, this music is better than this music, to be honest. Now we are waiting for an entry on gold, like you know. Entered off head and shoulders and retest of daily EMA. Let me see. You mean this head and shoulder right here, or the big one? Because for EURUSD, yeah, price is always doing heads and shoulders. If you can see here, yeah, we have this one. Yeah, it broke this shoulder level, then go up. Yeah, the price action is not that great, so that's why I always prefer to trade for now the GPY trades, because you go with the trend. Trading is simple, trading is easy. You can leave your take profit level open. Yeah, and for gold also trending up, if you can catch the price at these levels right here, you will make a good living. TP open. Okay, I think just move the stop loss to the entry after 30 or 40 pips, like always. It's better to secure your trade. And yeah, just a disclaimer, like always, nothing you see here is a financial advice, of course. And let's see if we can get a good trade on this live stream today, because yesterday I don't. Yeah, I honestly don't remember what happened in the stream. Yeah, we had the stop loss on the stream. Then we entered a sell on gold yesterday. We had TP1. Then we entered another trade on gold, and yeah, we hit all TPs. Yeah, like I told you, just make sure to secure your trade. That's yeah. But yeah, your analysis is good. Like I said, we enter probabilities, and yeah, I will not have 100% win rate, and you will not have it too. So that's why we entered controlled risk. So if you want to make it in trading, you need to label your trade as a loss until it either hit the stop loss or the TP. So every trade you enter, you need to count as you already lost that money. That's why, yeah, that's how you keep your emotions intact. Where are the, yeah, see nothing with the new trades today. So we will need to wait for a trade on gold this morning. Do you guys know a good playlist that I can play, which is copyright free on the stream? Because I don't enjoy this music, to be honest, but it's better than nothing. So it's okay to have, yeah, to not have volume now, because it's Christmas. It's yeah, we have 2 hours left for the New York session to start, and it's always like this at this, yeah, exact time. But when you when you catch an entry like this, and yeah, and you get the New York push, you can, yeah, you name it. So we'll remove this or keep it. I will just keep it and see the other charts if there is some opportunities. I will not look into USDJPY because the price action is horrendous. USDJPY also not. USD, he hoped to catch the TP2, to be honest, on this trade, although it took a lot of time. We spent a week being in drawdown, then price started to go to our direction. You see the CHF nonsense. This is why I told you, yeah, The chart is horrendous. We had a good entry on CFDJPY exactly here, but we already entered two other GPY trades. That's why, yeah. CHFGPY2, EURUSD. Yeah, it seems like we are in a slow downtrend. I remembered I was looking at USDJPY last night, and yeah, I saw it moving upwards, and remembered you talking about buying the USD. But don't forget, we were at USD, EURUSD, and GBPUSD. That's why I didn't add another USD trade. EURUJPY, let's see, still doing nothing. I see gold is going down a bit from 95 to 92. I will go back to it right now. It was at 95. I hope it will go to my entry. Yeah, it was a good trade, to be honest, for the USD, but I don't know what. Yeah, you entered upon this retest, I believe. Yeah, this was your entry, I think. On gold. If you see everyday gold, let me do a channel. For example, from 9 a.m. yeah, is always ranging, then taking a direction. So for today, it's ranging and waiting for gold to get a direction. This is yesterday, this was the day before. You see here, ranging, then exploded. This day, ranging, yeah, then if you can see here, ranging, then exploded. Yeah, here ranging, then exploded. Here ranging, then exploded to the downwards, and now we are ranging. Let's see which way will take gold. Great. It was a great entry on your part. You remove this, and we will need to wait and see if gold will give us some profits today. GPY and EURUSD are in a small drawdown here. But yeah, let's see. Gold this morning is so slow. Another trade I have running is USDJPY entered on Monday on. So you entered a buy on Monday on USDJPY. Let's see, on Monday, Tuesday, here, Sunday. Yeah, great entry. And I believe the stop loss is already at entry for USDJPY, yeah? Yeah, gold is moving down. It's good. Means that it can give us a good entry at this level right here, 83 or 84. Yeah, somewhere here. Let's hope gold continue going down, then give us an entry down below. Yeah, I always say it in the live stream. The CHF pairs are so bad currently. That's why, yeah, since the CAD CHF stop loss, I decided to stop trading the CHF pairs. Of course, we'll keep trading CHF GPY, but yeah, only CHF GPY. But yeah, for gold, like you know, like you always know, you see we are currently in this phase. Yeah, and this phase always happened before the New York opening. And yeah, now we are waiting for a direction. I think it will be a buy, but yeah, need to wait. Let's move this. Gold is currently moving like a snail too. But yeah, since there is no questions and yeah, no chats from the viewers, I believe this is because of Christmas. Because last week and the week before, yeah, the live stream was so active. I think everyone is chilling for Christmas right now. Yeah, we will wait silently unless there is questions from you guys. And also for everyone watching, I was banned from Instagram, so I will need to change the the Instagram link down below, because yesterday I had this this on my account. I don't know what this is. We've disabled your account. You no longer have access to your account because of fraud. I don't understand, to be honest. Yeah, I will make sure to update the Instagram link in the description. And yeah, I lost an Instagram with 4 years of posting. But yeah, no problem. Yeah, we are still waiting for an entry. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Yeah. GPY, Euro USD. I think gold will give us a great entry. To be honest, we just need to wait. What, yeah, I don't like is this wick right here. But yeah, maybe price will never, yeah, revisit it. We wait and see. And this is the, yeah, the most true part about trading is you need to wait. You need to wait a lot. But yeah, with good music, with, yeah, if you like and if you love trading and if you are passionate about trading, you will need, yeah, you will learn to wait and you will learn enjoy in waiting. So the stop loss can't even be under these lows. Let me see. No, we wait. Euro GPY came back to entry. GPV GPY also, yeah. All other trades are in profits, in good profits, to be honest. Yeah, I feel so much. Yeah, and you will become so much more confident with, yeah, with you forward testing that now, because so many people laugh when I say that I trade EMAs. Like I told you, so many people laugh when I say that I trade EMAs, but they don't, yeah, they don't get the power of trading the EMAs, not the normal EMAs, not the 1 minute EMA, not the, yeah, not the, yeah, you need to concentrate. Yeah, like I said, you need to concentrate on the bigger EMAs, the 4 hour EMA, the daily EMA, even the weekly EMA. If you can catch a trade like this, you can even get 10 RR, to be honest. Yeah, with the tighter stop loss. Yeah, so much people laugh when I say I trade EMAs, and that's good because it keeps my edge on the market. Everyone has an edge, and this is my edge. Plus, I tried all other strategies out there and found that, yeah, for example, this MC, the ICT, yeah, these strategy are so, yeah, objective, not like EMA retest that I always explain. If you can see here, this is a mechanical strategy. You don't even need to think when entering a trades like this one. You don't need to think even. And you can go into a trade and never see the chart in a week. You know your position is in profit, you keep trailing the stop loss, that's it. Yeah, people don't. Yeah, my close friends know, but people online doesn't care about cars, to be honest, because anyone can get cars these days. P&Ls also, to be honest, yeah. There are some scammers out there who can fake everything. That's why I decided to start live streaming, because no one does that. Yeah, yeah, I think that's the difference. Doing live streams even for 1 hour per day is better than showing Lambos and Ferraris. I think, in my opinion, because people are not like 2020 when they see a car and blindly uh, believe you. They need to, yeah, they need to see proof. I think gold will give us an entry soon. I'm starting seeing some small volume. Yeah, exactly that. Yeah, exactly. And yeah, if you can, I'm already making money. If you can make money from a small information that I gave you, that's a win for me. But people these days are doing anything, yeah, to scam other people. Yeah, and that's why I always say that you never rely on an open candle. So, yeah, I saw this candle right here, and yeah, even I thought, yeah, the candle will keep going down, we will have an entry like here, but it didn't happen. That's why I always uh, say that again and again and again. Always wait for candle to close, then decide. Because for now, yeah, there's no entry for us. Yeah, we can enter right here, to be honest, if this candle closes like this. It's in engulfing candle with a big wick. But yeah, let me see where the stop loss will be. Mm-mm. Will not enter even if I see the price shoot up like this, to be honest. That's why you need to always stick to your plan and don't FOMO. Hello Guri, how are you? You missed nothing. Yeah, we entered some trades in the morning on premium, but for now on the live stream we didn't enter any trade. So gold refused to give us an entry, still moving like a snail, and yeah, we are waiting. Let's hypothetically say that we entered right here. Our stop loss is 70 pips, like I was explaining, and we get FOMO. We don't respect our rule, so we either touch the stop loss and it's a losing trade, or we explode and tap and touch the TP and it's also a losing trade because we didn't respect our strategy, our entry, and we were not disciplined to wait. Can you please see that? An entry in the middle of nowhere is not an entry, to be honest. Everything can happen. Price can shoot straight up or touch the stop loss in no time. And this is not an entry, of course. This is me explaining, don't be greedy, don't fear of missing out. You need to wait for the price to come to you to get an entry, and now I think we should touch the stop loss. So we wait and see. I just need the price to touch this level right here, because if we touch this level, I think we will be somehow protected by this level. Even if we go in with the red candle, I think price will reject this level and move up. Are you talking about the EMA strategy? Or because I don't trade only the EMA strategy. If you can see, I trade whatever I see have a high probability. But if you are talking about the EMA strategy, for example, if I see an entry on USDJPY, CADJPY, CHFJPY, EURUJPY, GBPJPY, NZDJPY, and USDJPY, of course I will not enter 7 trades at one time. I will enter a trade that looks good on the chart. So maybe I will enter 2 trades max for the same pair. But for the other pairs, I can diversify, of course. Let's see if gold will reject this level, because we are now at this level. You see, this was a very bad entry. This candle have a small wick, very small wick, so I don't think I will enter. And please keep your questions coming. But with the EMA strategy, it's, yeah, you need to know that you can't enter all the GPY trades at once, even if they show an engulfing candle after a touch of the daily EMA, because everything can happen. This is not 100% win rates strategy. Yeah, you enter two trades, and if the best looking ones, and if these trades move, you move the stop loss to the entry, and yeah, you wait for other entries on the other pairs. I think we will redo the same scenario here that we did right here and did right here. So I think it will be a good entry. Let me see. We are above, yeah, below these levels. Yeah, I think a good entry we have here. Let me quickly go in. So the entry is at 84, 4484. 4484, 4487, 4494, and 4504. Yeah, we can touch the stop loss right now. I don't know, 4477. So this is my take profit, this is my stop loss. Let's see. And let me add these guys here. And please do not copy trade me. Nothing you see here is a financial advice. And just, this is for educational purposes only. TP2 will be at 94. And TP3 will be at 04. This is TP3. And let's see what will happen. One minute left for this 5-minute candle to be over. Let's see if we can at least touch TP1. Then if the price goes against you, yeah, I think I had my mic muted. I don't know why. Sorry about that. Let me refresh the stream and see if we... Yeah, the mic was muted. Sorry, everyone. So, like I was saying, this is the beauty of this strategy. You can enter trades, move the stop loss to the entry, then yeah. Then if the price goes against you, you are fully protected. Did you catch TP1, Imran, Guri? Waiting for this candle to end. We have 3.5 minutes left, approximately. Like always, we don't FOMO, we don't get influenced by candles like this. We wait until the candle closes, then we decide if we enter. Two minutes left. And please, for everyone watching, make sure to like the live stream, subscribe, and ask your questions. I don't know why no one participates in the charts. We are still in this range. Let me see if we can catch a trade like this, or the price will continue going down to this EMA right here, because it does that a lot. Last minute of the 5-minute candle. Let's see if we can get an entry. Sorry. Don't forget that we still have a wick here. This was a liquidity grab. No entry for now. UG for buy. Like I said, I have another entry on EURUJPY and GBPJPY. A good entry, to be honest, was here, because if you go to the 2 hours, let me see. Yeah, this is a good entry, I think, targeting these highs or leaving the TP open, because yeah, we are an uptrend and price can even get to these levels here, but it will take some time. Let me go back to gold and see if we can have an entry, because I don't think so. Price will continue going down. There is no indications that the price will continue, will go up. The stop loss here, this is a good trade, to be honest, but will not take it, because like you know. So let me explain what happened here. I think price broke this level. Let me quickly remove these yellow lines. Price broke this level. It can either go straight down or go down a bit, retest it and go down, or this is only a fake out and the price goes up. These are the 3 scenarios. That's why I didn't enter neither a buy, neither a sell. I'm waiting to see what the price will do. And this is what you need to be doing every day to master trading. Come up with scenarios, see which scenario played out, etc. And if you do this every day, you will be trading only with your eyes. And you will never need money in your life, because you have a skill that you don't rely on anyone, any platform, any boss, anything. For example, like I was saying yesterday, my Instagram was disabled, and it happens. We all depend on platforms, and that's why you need some skill that can bring money without relying on anyone, because markets are always here. And if you know how to trade, you will need nothing. But for now, if we can close at 80 or even 81, it would be great. It means that everything happened was a fake out. $16 seconds left. Let's see, 79, too much spreads. 78. Yeah, let's go. I think the entry was at 79 exactly. Yeah, 79. Let's see what will happen. 79, 82, 89, 99, 72. So the entry is at 79. This is the TP. This is the stop loss. 79. 82. 72. Hello CK, how are you? 79, 89. Let me get 72, 99. How is Christmas going in Germany? So this is the TP1 at 82. Did we touch TP1? Let me see. Time. Yeah, we touched the TP1. We moved the stop loss to the entry, of course. So entry was 79. Boring, snowfall, very cold and windy. Yeah. And what about Weihnachtsmarkt, Glühwein, and everything you guys have in Germany? 89. This is the TP2. And this is the TP3. 99. Let's see if we can get a good trade here. Did someone catch this? I hope it didn't hit our entry again like the first trade, but yeah. Okay, stops to the entry, of course, and let's see what will happen. Because this is a good entry. Yeah. If the price don't go back to my entry, it will be great. 30 seconds left for this candle to be over. I think Shane did go to sleep. In Australia, I think it's way beyond midnight now. So for everyone, make sure, of course, to like the live stream, subscribe, and join the Telegram channel. It's the first link in the description. And let's see if we can get a full TP for gold. If we touch the stop loss, I will sign off, and yeah, and continue trading on premium group. Did we touch the stop loss? Not yet. And of course, like always, don't rely on these candles when they are open. Like you see here, I didn't go in at this candle when it was open. I only did get in when it closed like this, with the big wick, a bullish candle on this key level. Do you guys have any questions? I think tomorrow I will not be trading. I think I will be trading Friday. Yeah, let me see the calendar. Friday, yeah. No trades in the weekend, of course. Monday, I think we have. Let me see. Maybe Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday, I think. Yeah, we'll be trading Wednesday, Thursday, no trades, of course. And yeah, for Germany in Christmas, uh, I think the Sylvester Nacht is the is good, to be honest, but before, yeah, but at Christmas and all the days before the 1st of January, everything is closed, I believe. Every supermarket is closed, and this was awful. I remember when I first came to Germany. Yeah, I didn't know that, and yeah, I did have nothing in my fridge for 4 or 5 days, I think, in 2014 or something like that. So the following years, when Christmas came, I was always traveling, never stayed in Germany. That's why I really get you, CK, when you said it's super boring. Yeah, no activities, nothing. Especially on small cities. I think gold will move further after the New York opening, but yeah, let's wait and see and hope that gold will continue going up. The best thing that we have right now is the stop loss already at entry. I'm trading risk free. That means if the price goes down, I will be out from the trade with no profits or losses. And I don't get why the chat is so quiet today. Make sure to ask questions or even chats. Because if the chat stays like this, I think I will, yeah, I will sign off. Finally, some movement. Nothing is happening, to be honest. Yeah, the stop loss is already at entry. I have a lunch to attend. I will sign off now and continue trading in the Telegram after, yeah, after lunch. Thank you everyone for being with me here on the live stream. If you have any questions, make sure to comment down below or contact me on Telegram. It's the first link in the description. Thank you so much. And yeah, tomorrow I will not be streaming. There will be, yeah, a bank holiday because of Christmas. So we will meet on Friday. Thank you so much. And yeah, let's meet